Hi, I'm Dr. Megan Crute, and I'm a board-certified dermatologist with CallonDoc. I wanted to go over some helpful tips to help prevent the development of genital warts and to help reduce the chances of spreading them if you do develop them. So tip number 1 is to practice safe sex. Consistently and correctly using condoms during sexual activity can significantly reduce your risk of developing genital warts. This helps prevent against human papillomavirus or HPV spread and ultimately reduces the risk for genital warts. While it's not 100% protection, that reduction in the chances of developing genital warts is significant if you use condoms. Tip number 2 is to limit the number of sexual partners. Many people have the HPV virus or human papillomavirus without knowing it. So it is possible to spread this virus even without having true genital warts. The number of sexual partners you have can help determine your risk for developing HPV. So the lower the number of sexual partners, overall, the lower the risks of contracting HPV. The third tip is to consider being vaccinated. There is an HPV vaccine available that protects against the 9 most common strains of HPV that can cause genital warts, as well as other complications in the genital region. So talk to your healthcare provider about whether this is right for you. If you do find that you have genital warts, maintaining good hygiene with keeping the areas clean and dry can help prevent spread, as well as trying to minimize picking or scratching the areas. If you do have symptoms from these warts, be sure to talk to your healthcare provider about appropriate treatment to help minimize the symptoms, but also to help clear the lesions. Be sure to communicate with your partners about the HPV virus and genital warts. People deserve to know what their partners are dealing with because this is something that is considered sexually transmitted. Being open and honest with partners about this can open dialogue for what is going on and help make sure that communication is open in the future regarding not only genital warts, but other possible sexually transmitted infections. And lastly, it's important to keep regular follow-up appointments with your healthcare provider. They can help determine if the treatments that are being provided are adequate and to make sure that these lesions are treated as appropriately as possible.